here's another great RV from I-29 RV Supercenter.
This is the Cherokee Limited-294GE.
This RV is representative of the floor plan made by this manufacturer. It was shot at a national RV show. The features, options, colors, fabrics, and specifications may be different from the RV in the dealer's inventory. Please consult the dealer's inventory for actual details on this RV.
If you are looking for a great deal on this great RV or any one of our new or used RVs, then you owe it to yourself to make the drive to I-29 RV Supercenter in Sioux Falls. Covering 4 states, I-29 RV Supercenter carries the best brands made by Winnebago, Forest River, Coachmen, Keystone, KZ, and Crossroads, and more. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos. We are constantly adding new inventory. Discover how you and your family can start experiencing the RV lifestyle today at I-29 RV Supercenter.